Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SR English Conversation Channel.
Scene 1. Entering the bank.
Imagine you walk into a bank. The doors open, people are waiting, someone smiles at you. What do you say?
Easy. Hello.
Perfect. Simple is powerful. The employee might say, "Good morning, how can I help you today?"
I'd like to open a bank account.
Excellent. Notice you said, "I'd like to." That's very polite, not "I want."
Yes. I'd like to sounds friendlier.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'd like to open a bank account. Pause. Again, I'd like to open a bank account. Great job.
Mini conversation.
Bank employee. Good morning. How can I help you?
I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, here it is.
Wonderful. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Nice and easy. No difficult words, just natural English.
Funny moment. Imagine bringing your library card instead of your ID.
I'm here to open a bank account. Here's my library card.
I also have my gym membership.
Wrong cards, Paul.
Scene 2. Opening a bank account.
Now, the banker starts asking questions. Don't panic. These are common questions. What type of account would you like?
Could you explain that?
Great question. Never pretend to understand. Instead, say, "Could you explain that, please?" Or, "Could you say that again?" That's completely normal. The employee explains. You can choose a savings account or a checking account.
I'd like a savings account.
Perfect. Then, may I have your passport?
Sure. Here you go.
Can you fill out this form?
Of course.
Here's a useful phrase. Repeat after me. Could you help me fill out this form? Again, could you help me fill out this form? Excellent.
Here's a useful phrase. Repeat after me. Could you help me fill out this form? Again, could you help me fill out this form? Excellent.
Mini story.
When I was younger, I thought fill out the form meant draw pictures on the form.
Seriously?
Yes, I almost decorated the application.
That's not the kind of creativity banks are looking for.
Scene 3. Depositing money.
Now, let's say you already have an account. You want to deposit money. Easy conversation. How can I help you today?
I'd like to deposit some cash.
Certainly. How much would you like to deposit?
$500.
Please place the cash on the counter.
Here you are.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd like to deposit some cash. Again, I'd like to deposit some cash. One more time. I'd like a receipt, please. Excellent.
Vocabulary break.
Deposit means put money into your account. Withdraw means take money out. Simple. Deposit, money goes in. Withdraw, money comes out.
Easy, like food. Food goes in, energy comes out.
That's actually a surprisingly good example.
Scene 4. Withdrawing money.
How can I help you today?
I'd like to withdraw $200.
May I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Would you like that in 20s?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Notice the polite phrases. May I? I'd like. Here you go. Thank you. These small expressions make a big difference.
Speaking practice.
Repeat. I'd like to withdraw some money. Again, could I withdraw some cash? Excellent.
Scene 5. My card isn't working.
This one happens to everyone. You try your card, nothing. Again, nothing. Then, embarrassing silence. Don't worry. Here's what to say.
Excuse me, my card isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's check your account.
Thank you.
It looks like your card has expired.
Can I get a new one?
Absolutely. We'll order a replacement today. Repeat after me. My card isn't working. Again, can I get a replacement? Perfect.
Funny story. One time, I pressed the wrong pin 3 times.
Ouch.
Then I looked at the ATM like it's your fault.
But deep down, you knew it was your fault.
Definitely. The ATM was innocent.
Scene 6. asking questions. Never be afraid to ask questions. Good English isn't about knowing everything, it's about communicating. Examples: could you explain that? What does that mean? Can you speak a little slower? Could you repeat that? These sentences are powerful.
Role play.
There is a monthly maintenance fee.
Sorry, what does maintenance fee mean?
It's a small monthly charge for your account.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you.
Great. See? No stress. Just ask.
Quick review game.
Ready? I'll ask, you answer. You want to open an account. What do you say? Pause. I'd like to open an account. Perfect. You want to put money into your account. Pause. I'd like to deposit some cash. Excellent. You need cash. Pause. I'd like to withdraw some money. Great. Your card doesn't work. Pause. My card isn't working. Fantastic. You don't understand something. Pause. Could you explain that, please? Amazing.
Real life story. You know, learning English isn't about speaking perfectly. It's about having the courage to start. The first time I spoke English at a bank, I was nervous. I spoke slowly, I made mistakes, but something interesting happened. Nobody laughed, nobody judged me. Instead, people helped me. That's when I realized most people want to understand you. They don't expect perfection.
I love that. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking.
Final speaking practice.
Repeat after us. Hello? Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account. I'd like to deposit some cash. I'd like to withdraw some money. Could you explain that, please? Can you repeat that? My card isn't working. Thank you for your help. Have a wonderful day. Excellent work. Scene 7. Asking about your account balance. Welcome back. You've already learned how to open an account, deposit money, and withdraw cash. Now let's talk about something we all check.
My bank balance, especially after online shopping.
That's a dangerous time to check.
Sometimes I open my banking app and whisper, "Please don't disappoint me."
Today, you'll learn how to ask about your account balance politely and confidently.
Conversation.
Bank employee. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Paul, hi. I'd like to check my account balance, please.
Bank employee. Of course. May I see your debit card and ID?
Sure, here you are.
Bank employee. Thank you. One moment, please. A few seconds later, bank employee. Your current balance is $2,450.
Great, thank you very much.
Bank employee. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Have a nice day. Speaking practice.
Emily. Repeat after me. I'd like to check my account balance. Pause. Again. Could you tell me my account balance, please? Pause. Excellent.
Paul, that's much better than saying, "How much money do I still have?"
People will understand, but the first sentence sounds much more natural.
Scene 8. Sending money.
Emily, imagine you want to send money to your friend or a family member.
Paul, hopefully they're paying me back.
Emily, or maybe you're helping them.
Paul, that's a nicer story. Conversation.
Bank employee, how may I help you?
Paul, I'd like to transfer some money.
Bank employee, certainly. Is it a domestic transfer or an international transfer?
Paul, it's a domestic transfer.
Bank employee, do you have the account number?
Paul, yes, I do.
Bank employee, perfect. Please write it here.
Paul, no problem. Useful expressions.
Emily, repeat after me. I'd like to transfer some money. Pause. It's a domestic transfer. Pause. It's an international transfer. Pause. Fantastic.
Mini story. Paul, the first time I heard domestic transfer, I thought they meant transferring money to my house.
Not quite. Domestic simply means inside the same country.
Paul, good thing I asked instead of pretending I understood.
Emily, that's an important lesson. Asking questions helps you learn faster.
Scene 9. Reporting a lost card.
Emily, this situation is stressful, but knowing the right English can make it much easier.
Conversation. Paul, excuse me, I think I've lost my debit card.
Bank employee, I'm sorry to hear that. When did you last use it?
Paul, yesterday afternoon.
Bank employee, don't worry. We'll block the card immediately.
Paul, thank you. Can I apply for a new one?
Bank employee, absolutely. We'll issue a replacement card.
Paul, that's a relief. Thank you so much.
Speaking practice. Emily, repeat after me. I've lost my debit card. Pause. Could you block my card, please? Pause. I'd like to apply for a replacement. Pause. Excellent pronunciation.
Quick challenge.
Emily, I'll describe the situation. You say the sentence. Ready? You don't know how much money is in your account. Pause. I'd like to check my account balance. Great. You want to send money. Pause. I'd like to transfer some money. Excellent. You can't find your debit card. Pause. I've lost my debit card. Perfect.
Confidence corner. Paul, sometimes people are afraid they'll make mistakes.
Emily, but remember, communication is more important than perfection. Speak clearly, smile, be polite, and if you don't understand, simply say, "Could you repeat that, please?" There's absolutely nothing wrong with asking someone to repeat themselves.
Scene 10. ATM Problems. Welcome back, everyone. So far, you've learned how to open an account, deposit money, withdraw cash, check your balance, transfer money, and report a lost card.
Which means we're becoming responsible adults.
Hopefully.
Well, except when the ATM decides to scare us.
Oh, yes. Today, we're talking about ATM problems, updating your personal information, asking about bank fees, and talking to customer service. Let's jump in.
Scene 10. The ATM didn't give me my money. Have you ever used an ATM, heard all the sounds, beep, whir, click, and then nothing, no money?
That's one of the most stressful banking situations. But don't panic. Here's what you can say. Conversation. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I used the ATM a few minutes ago, but it didn't give me my money.
I'm sorry about that. Did the machine keep your card?
No, I still have my card.
That's good. Can you tell me the time you used the ATM?
Around 10:30 this morning.
We'll check the transaction. If there was a problem, we'll help you resolve it.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. The ATM didn't give me my money. Pause. Again. The machine didn't return my card. Pause. One more time. Could you check the transaction, please? Excellent.
Notice that I didn't shout at the employee.
Exactly. Staying calm usually helps solve the problem faster.
Scene 11. Changing personal information.
Life changes. Maybe you move to a new apartment. Maybe you change your phone number. Your bank needs your updated information. Conversation. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I'd like to update my address.
Certainly. May I see your ID?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. What's your new address?
It's 25 Green Street.
Perfect. I've updated your information.
Thanks a lot.
Repeat after me.
I'd like to update my address. Pause. I changed my phone number. Pause. I need to update my information. Pause. Fantastic.
Funny break.
Imagine updating the wrong address.
Then your new debit card might be delivered to someone else.
Hopefully they're honest.
Or hopefully you notice before that happens.
Scene 12. Asking about bank fees.
Here's another important conversation. Sometimes banks charge small fees. If you're not sure why, just ask politely. Conversation.
Excuse me,
I noticed a charge on my account. Could you explain it?
Of course, that's your monthly account fee.
I see. Is there a way to avoid that fee?
Yes, some accounts don't charge a fee if you keep a minimum balance.
That's good to know. Thank you for explaining.
Repeat after me. I noticed a charge on my account. Pause. Could you explain this fee? Pause. Is there a way to avoid it? Pause. Great job.
Vocabulary time.
Let's learn a few useful words. Balance, the amount of money in your account. Fee, money you pay for a service. Transfer, sending money from one account to another. Transaction, any banking activity like depositing, withdrawing, or paying. Statement, a record of your account activity.
Here's an easy way to remember. Every time money moves, that's a transaction.
Exactly.
Scene 13. Asking for a bank statement.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'd like a copy of my bank statement.
Certainly. Would you like a printed copy or an email?
A printed copy, please.
No problem. It'll be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I'd like a copy of my bank statement. Pause. Could you print it for me, please? Pause. Excellent.
Quick listening challenge.
I'll ask a question. You answer before Paul does. Ready? You want to change your address. Pause. I'd like to update my address.
That's exactly what I was going to say. You don't understand a fee. Pause. Could you explain this charge? You need a bank statement. Pause. I'd like a copy of my bank statement.
You're getting faster. Motivation moment. Remember something important. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate. You need confidence, patience, and practice. Every conversation makes you a little stronger.
Think about the first time you learned to ride a bicycle. Did you fall? Probably. Did you stop forever? No. Speaking English is exactly the same. Mistakes are part of learning.
Review.
Today, you learned how to report an ATM problem, update your personal information, ask about bank fees, and talk to customer service.